everyone. So today's video we are going to be trying out the Lavender Violets Professional Dip Powder. This is, so it says it's quick dip nail, odorless, flexible, and durable. So let's check it out. So we'll start with opening the box. So this is the kit. It comes with the instructions, so everything you need to know. So it tells you like what to do and how to prep your nail and all the directions. So I already prepped my nails. I clean my cuticles. I file them, cut them. So I'm going to put on, this is the Pro Bond. It's the nail primer. So I'm going to put that on first. So I read that this will help it stay on. Hopefully it does. And this did not come with the kit. I bought this off of Amazon, so I'll definitely put the link below. So my nails are primed. The first thing we're going to do is put the base on. So that's number 1. So it says first apply the base to the entire nail. And then the color I want to try is not this one. I actually want to try, I'm only going to try one color to see how it works. This is, oh man, the color is not on here. Is it on the box? I don't know. The color is not on here. But so this is the powder. That's how it looks. Did you guys see it? So it's like a brownish type sort of color. So like I said, we're going to do number 1 first. That is the base. I also have my brush to brush off the excess powder. So you have to do it one nail at a time. So I'm going to apply and then then I'm going to dip. Then gonna brush off. So that's the first coat. So I'm gonna do that to each nail now. Alright, so the first coat is done. So we have to do it again. So apply the same base that we were just applying. And basically do it again. Dip it back in. So after I put on the second coat, I have to apply the activator. Put this aside. So activator is number 2. That is the activator. Okay, so I applied the activator. So now it says to let it air dry. And then after that, you file it the way you want. You shape and you buff it. Then you do it again. So I'm just going to let this air dry. Okay, so it's dry. So I'm going to add the activator again. Okay, so now I'm going to put the top coat. So this is the top coat. Okay, so I'm going to add another coat of the, make sure I put in the right one, the top coat.